Wi-Fi speed too slow on iPhone. Here is the fix. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. If your Wi-Fi speed is too slow, then let's go ahead and fix it. Launch the settings application on your device and tap on Wi-Fi. Now tap on the info button beside the Wi-Fi you are connected to. Here firstly, make sure that the toggle button for low data mode is toggled off. Now tap on Configure DNS. The default setting for Configure DNS is automatic, but go ahead and select Manual and now remove all the existing DNS servers and then tap on Add Server and add Google DNS Server that is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Tap on the Save button now. Also, slide down from the right side of your screen. You will be led to the Control Center. Go ahead and enable airplane mode. Wait for a minimum of 10 or 20 seconds and then disable airplane mode again. Open your preferred browser now and in the search bar, search for fast.com. You can see the Wi-Fi speed has increased. Lastly, open settings again and tap on battery and make sure the toggle button for low power mode is not enabled, as in low power mode, a lot of feature in iPhone is restricted. If the issue is still not fixed, then go ahead and reset all network settings. Tap on General and now scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now and your Wi-Fi problem should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.